This is the counterbalance calculator for spring or cylinder, which determines the precise spring requirements needed to counterbalance a hinged lid at any angle. Let's walk through the input fields. First, enter the lid weight in pounds. Next, input the lid length from hinge to end in inches. Then, specify the spring mount distance from hinge, also in inches. Finally, set your open angle in degrees, which defaults to 90. For this example, I'll enter 10 pounds for the lid weight, 10 inches for the lid length, 10 inches for the spring mount distance, and keep the open angle at 90 degrees. After clicking Calculate Counterbalance, here are our results. The required spring force shows 0.00 pounds force, indicating perfect balance at this configuration. The spring length when closed is 12.81 inches. The spring length when open is also 12.81 inches, meaning no extension occurs. The mechanical advantage calculates to 0.80 to 1, and the optimal lid mount point from hinge is 8.00 inches. These values help you select and position the right spring for your application. Find the link in the description below.